Hi students, last class we have studied sequence and arithmetic progression. Now we are going to study series and arithmetic series. So before that, first one, series. What is series? The sum of the terms of a sequence is called series. Sum of the terms of a sequence is called series. What is sequence? First term, comma second term, comma third term, comma dot dot dot. It is a sequence. If you write the sequence as sum, the sum is called a series. Suppose A1, A2, A3, etc., AN, etc., dot 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 be a sequence of real numbers. Then A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus dot 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 is defined as the series of real numbers. If comma 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 etc. a sequence, then plus 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 etc. series, where the terms are in sequence. Therefore, series is the sum of the terms of a sequence. If the series consists of finite terms, it is finite series. The series has infinite terms, then it is infinite series. Already we have studied, if a sequence has finite, it is finite sequence. The sequence has infinite terms, it is infinite sequence. If series has finite terms, it is finite series. The series has infinite terms, it is infinite series. So this is a series. Series means sum of the terms of a sequence. That's all. Now we are going to discuss arithmetic series. What is arithmetic series? Arithmetic series is nothing but if the series whose terms are in arithmetic progression, the terms in arithmetic progression, then the series is to be arithmetic series. Verum sequence that is series. The terms arithmetic progression, arithmetic sequence are the series is a arithmetic series. Suppose consider A plus D, A plus 2D, etc. Arithmetic progression. We have studied A is the first term, D is the common difference. If we write A plus D plus A plus 2D plus dot 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 like that, this series is called arithmetic series. What is arithmetic series? The terms in arithmetic progression whose sum is the arithmetic series. Sum is the arithmetic series where the terms are in arithmetic progression. Sum to n terms of an AP. Sum to n terms. Suppose an AP has n terms, or we are going to find the sum of n terms in AP. We are going to learn the formula. Suppose A plus D, A plus 2D be an AP. Then the sum of first n terms of the AP is denoted by Sn. S means sum, n means n terms. So Sn denotes sum of first n terms. First n term means from the first term to n terms. It is denoted by Sn. Sn means sum of n terms, which is equal to first term A plus second term A plus D plus etc. plus A plus n minus 1D, which is the last or nth term. If you by adding this all value, we are given the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Already we have studied Tn. What is Tn? Tn is the nth term formula. Nth term formula, Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here it is 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Extra is n by 2. Same like Tn formula, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Suppose the last term L, last term is given, this formula will be written as Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus L, because L is the last term. The last term is a plus n minus 1 into d. First term a plus a is equal to 2a. So 2a plus n minus 1 into d will be the formula. So we can write directly the last term plus a into n by 2. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. The l எப்படி வந்துச்சுன்னா the 2a plus n minus 1 into d a plus n minus 1 into d எழுதுனீங்கன்னா ஒரு a plus n minus 1 d க்கு பதிலா நம்ம என்ன எழுதலாம்னா l ன்னு எழுதலாம். ஸோ அதான் இந்த ஃபார்முலால இருந்து அப்படியே டைரக்டா சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ணி கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. லாஸ்ட் டேர்ம் கொடுத்தா we have to use this formula. When first term common difference and n are given na we have to use this formula. A d n கொடுத்திருந்தா we have to use this. A and l கொடுத்திருந்தா we have to use this formula. So let us solve an example. Example 2.31. Find the sum of first 15 terms of the AP 8, 7 1 by 4, 6 1 by 2, 5 3 by 4, etc. So what's the question? Find the sum of first 15 terms. We have just now learned sum of first n term. Here it is sum of first 15 terms. That means n is equal to 15. So n is given and the AP is given. When the AP is given, we can find the first term and the common difference. AP means arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression and the kandipa first term and the common difference irukum. So we can find from the AP and n is given. We have to use the first formula. So first one, solution. We have to write the given information. What is given? Given AP is, what is given? AP 8, 7 1 by 4, 6 1 by 2, 5 3 by 4, dot dot dot. So you can see the values are decreasing. So common difference will be in negative. So here the first term a is equal to, what is the first term? 8. So a is equal to 8. And the common difference d is equal to, what is the common difference? Second term minus first term. So second term 7 1 by 4 minus 8. So you can easily subtract 7, 8, very number minus, so minus 7 la 8 பிரிச்சுனா 1. But 7 1 by 4 minus 8 na 7 8 போச்சுனா முக்கால் வரும். Since the very bigger number is minus, it is minus 3 by 4. Or we can solve in different way like this. 7 1 by 4 minus 8 is equal to 4 7s are 28. 28 plus 1, 29 divided by 4 minus 8. So we can take LCM 4. Since it has 4, we can write the numerator as same. But here the denominator is 1. So you have to cross multiply. 4 8s are 32. So answer minus 3 by 4. So this is a common difference. We can simplify in this method. We have studied in 8th standard. Or we can understand 7 minus 8 is equal to 1. But it is 7 1 by 4 means minus 8 now. Minus 3 by 4 will be the answer. So d is equal to minus 3 by 4. And here n is equal to sum of first 15 terms. So n is equal to 15. So a, d and n are given now. The sum of first n terms formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. The formula you have to understand, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So now we are going to apply the value here, which is equal to, what is n? 15. So S15 means sum of first 15 terms. That's a question. S15 is equal to 15 divided by 2 into 2 into a is equal to 8 plus 15 minus 1. 15 minus 1 into d. D is equal to minus 3 by 4, which is equal to 15 by 2 into 2 8s are 16 plus 15 minus 1 14 into minus 3 by 4. Now we can simplify. 2 2s are 4, 7 2s are 14. So which is equal to 15 by 2 into 16 plus into minus minus 3 7s are 21 divided by, here denominator is 2. Now we have to simplify, then we can multiply. So it is equal to 15 by 2 into, what is the denominator? 2. Here 1. So LCM is 2. Here since the denominator 1, we can cross multiply. 2 16s are 32 minus, here denominator 1, 1 into 21, 21. Now, which is equal to 15 by 2 into 32 minus 21 is equal to 11 by 2. So, it is a multiplication of two fractions. How to multiply? Multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator. Since the numerator and denominator have no common factor, we have to multiply inside directly. So when you multiply 2 2s are 4, the denominator is 4. 15 into 11. 15 into 11. We can easily multiply 10 15s are 150. 115 is 15. 150 plus 15 is equal to 165. Therefore, the sum of first 15 term is 165 divided by 4. The sum of first 15 term is 165 divided by 4. It's a very simple problem. First we have to find what is A and what is D. Then what is given? N is given. So A, D and N are given. What is the formula? You have to recall. What is the formula? Sn is equal to N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Apply the value and simplify. When you simplify, you will find the answer. That is the sum of first 15 terms. Very simple one. Example 2.32. Find the sum of 0.40 plus 0.43 plus 0.46 plus ... plus 1. The last problem we have used the first formula Sn is equal to N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. In this problem we will use the second formula when the last term is given. Look at the sequence. Find the sum is given, but it is not given as arithmetic or anything. So first you have to check whether it is arithmetic or not. After that only you can use the formula. It is a series. A series is given. Last term is given. Last term is 1. It is increasing. First term is 0.40. Last term is given. First we have to check whether it is arithmetic or not. If it is arithmetic, then we have to find the number of terms. After that we have to find the sum. It may be a 5-mark question. So listen carefully. When you are going to find the common difference, we have to check two difference, since it is not given as an arithmetic progression. So first one given series. So given, what is given? 0.40 plus 0.43 plus 0.46 plus ... plus 1. We can observe 40, 43, 46, 43 minus 40 is equal to 3, 46 minus 43 is equal to 3. So like that we can observe it is an arithmetic progression, but it is 0.40, 0.43, 0.46 like that. So here the first term A is equal to 0.40. Then we have to find the common difference. To find the common difference, we have to check second term minus first term, 43 minus 43 like that. So common difference D is equal to 0.43 minus 0.40, which is the same as 0.46 minus 0.43, which is equal to 0.03. That's very, very important. It is not 0.3, it is 0.03. How to subtract the value? So listen, 0.43 minus 0.40. So when you subtract 3 minus 0 is equal to 3, 4 minus 4 is equal to 0.0. So answer 0.03. So we have to be very careful. You should not write 0.3. 0.3 now it will be like a 30, but it is only 3. Now we have found the last common difference, and the last term is given ... plus 1 means it is a last term. So last term is denoted by L. L is equal to 1. But what is our problem? Our problem is to find the sum. The sum we have given A, D and L, but we don't know what is the number of terms. So before finding the sum, we have to know how many terms are there. Number of terms N is equal to, we have the formula in arithmetic progression, L minus A by D plus 1. This is the formula we have studied in the last exercise. The number of terms in arithmetic progression is equal to L minus A by D plus 1. Why we are saying it is arithmetic progression? Because common difference D common difference D is there means it is an arithmetic progression. So we can find n. So which is equal to L. What is L? L is equal to 1 minus A. What is A? 0.40. 0.40 whole divided by D. D is equal to 0.03. 0.03 plus 1. Now simplify 1 minus 0.40. 1 means it's like 100. 100 minus 40 is equal to 60. So 1 minus 0.40 means 0.60 divided by 0.03 plus 1. Now since both numerator and denominator have 2 digits in decimal, we can multiply 100 in both numerator and denominator. When you multiply, it will become 60, it will become 3. When you multiply by 100 both numerator and denominator, 60 by 3 plus 1. So which is equal to 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 23s are 60. So 20 plus 1. 20 plus 1. 20 plus 1 is equal to 21. So the number of terms n is equal to how many terms? 21 terms are there. So we are adding 21 terms. So sum of first 21 terms will be the formula. So we are going to find the sum Sn. Here we have given A, D and L. So D is not used in the sum formula, but it is used in the number of terms formula. When the last term is given Sn formula, n by 2 into A plus L. So here n is equal to 21. So S21 is equal to 21 by 2 into A plus L. What is A? A is equal to first term. So the first term is A is equal to 0.40. L is equal to 1. Just add the two value. 0.40 plus 1. So which is equal to 21 by 2 into, add the value, 1 plus 0 point something, 1.40. Now we can cancel. 1 2 is 2, 7 2s are 14. So when you cancel, it is 0.70. So no need to write 0, but it's better, right? So now we have to multiply 21 into 0.70. 21 into 7, multiply 1 7 is 7, 2 7s are 14. Since it has one digit decimal, we have to put one dot. So answer very simple, 14.7. What is this? Yes, 21. Yes, 21 is equal to 14.7 is the sum of the n terms, or sum of the series, total series. Last term is given, so yes, 21 is equal to answer 14.7. Therefore, sum of the series is, sum of the series is 14.7. So maybe a 5-mark question. Listen carefully. Series is given, first term is given, last term is given. We have to find the sum now. First we have to find what is the series, arithmetic or not. To find arithmetic, we have to find the common difference. Since the differences are equal, it is an arithmetic progression. So last term is given now, you have to find n. N is equal to formula L minus A by D plus 1, where L is the last term, A is the first term, D is the common difference. So we have everything. So let us find the number of terms. We have to apply and subtract and divide. When you divide, you will find the answer n is equal to 21. We have found n is equal to 21 now, then we have to find Sn. Since last term is given Sn formula, n by 2 into A plus L, where A is equal to 0.40, L is equal to 1, the n is equal to 21. So answer 21 by 2 into 0.40 plus 1. Now when you add 1 plus 0.40 is equal to 1.40. So when you divide by 2, it will be 0.70. Multiply 21 into 7 is equal to 147. Since one digit in decimal, one dot. So if we want to write 0, also 2 digit, here 2 digits. So 14.70 is the answer. So S21 is equal to 14.7. If you want to put 0, no problem. 14.70. Okay, very simple one, and it may be a important 5-mark question. Important 5-mark question. The next problem is example 2.33. The problem is 2.33. The problem is how many terms of the series 1 plus 5 plus 9 plus dot 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 must be taken so that the sum is 190. The problem is how many terms must be taken so that the sum is 190. Sum 190 varradhu mari ethana term edukanum, how many terms edukanum. How many term means it is n. Question is find n so that the sum Sn is equal to 190. Here the series is 1 plus 5 plus 9 plus dot dot dot. You can observe 1 plus 5 na 4 is added, 5 plus 9 na 4 is added. So it is an arithmetic progression, arithmetic series. So we are going to find n, how many terms, which term, like that the question asked, that's nothing but n, number of terms. So let us write the given part, solution. So what are given? Given series. What is the series? 1 plus 5 plus 9 plus dot dot dot. So what is the series here? A is equal to 1 and let us check D is equal to 5 minus 1 which is equal to 9 minus 5 which is equal to 4. So D is there now, it is an arithmetic progression. So what is our question? To find n so that, so given sum is 190 na, Sn is equal to 190. Sn is equal to 190. So Sn is 190 now, what is the value of n? Look at the given information. A is given, D is given. Here L is not given. Therefore we have to use the formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to, this is the Sn formula. This side we have answer 190. Now apply the value of given informations A and D. So which is equal to n by 2 into 2 into A. A is equal to 1. 2 into 1 is equal to 2 plus n minus 1 into D. D is equal to 4. Which is equal to 190. We want the value of n. So no need to have the 2 here. So divide 2 will be multiply 2 when it goes to the other hand side. So n into 2 plus multiply 4 inside, 4n minus 4 is equal to 190 into 2 will be there, but since the two numbers are even numbers, we can have the 2 here itself. So answer n by 2 into 2 minus 4 is equal to minus 2. So 4n minus 2 which is equal to 190. Now take 2 outside since the two numbers are even number and cancel 2. You will get n by 2 into 2. What is remaining? 2n minus 1 which is equal to 190. Now we can cancel the two numbers. 2 cancel. So what is remaining here? N. Multiply n inside. 2n square minus n. Bring this 190 this side. Minus 190 equal to 0. Now it is a quadratic equation. Since the degree is 2, we will solve by taking the sum and the product. So product minus 380, difference 1. So when you find by I box, product minus 380, sum minus 1. Since the difference is 1, the two numbers are consecutive numbers. So probably the numbers will be 20 into 90. Since it is 380, that means 2 19s are 318, the same number 2 19 10 you put 20 into 19. Since the difference is minus, bigger number is minus, and also the coefficient of higher degree is 2, so divided by 2. This is divided by 2. Here we can cancel 1. This is 10, but here we cannot cancel. So the factor will be, since that variable is n and the numerator is minus 10, denominator is 1, we can do this into the second term will be n plus 19 by 2 equal to 0. So which implies two terms product equal to 0 na n minus 10 equal to 0 or n plus 19 by 2 equal to 0. Which implies minus 10. N minus 10 equal to 0 na minus 10 plus. So n is equal to 10 or in the plot the plus and minus, so n is equal to minus 19 by 2. But we know that n is number of term. Number of term may be 1, 2, 3, etc. It cannot be negative. One term இருக்கும், ரெண்டு term, மூணு term சொல்லலாம். Minus term இருக்க முடியாது. So n is cannot be negative. So n is equal to 10 is the answer. Is not possible. Is not possible. Why it is not possible? Because it is negative and also a fraction. Number of term cannot be negative, cannot be fraction. So number of term is natural number. So n is equal to 10. N is equal to 10. So what is our question? How many terms must be taken? Therefore 10 terms must be taken. 10 terms must be taken. That's the answer. It may be a 2 mark or 5 mark question. So listen, it's a very very simple one. How many terms must be taken? So n is the question. What is given? The series and the sum. Series is given. We have to check whether it is an arithmetic series or not. So arithmetic series na common difference must be there. So d is equal to 5 minus 1 is equal to 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. ரெண்டுமே சேமா இருக்கனால common difference there. So it is an arithmetic series. So Sn is given. Sn is equal to 190. What is the problem? என்ன கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். அப்ப Sn குரிய ஃபார்முலா அப்ளை பண்றோம். இங்க என்ன ஃபார்முலா எழுதணும்? லாஸ்ட் டைம் கொடுத்திருக்க ஃபார்முலா யூஸ் பண்ண கூடாது. என்ன ஃபார்முலா கொடுத்திருக்கணும்? a யும் d யும் கொடுத்த ஃபார்முலா n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 190. இந்த எல்லா சைடுல 190 190 வந்துட்டே இருக்கும். இங்க சிம்பிளை பண்றோம். What is a? a is equal to 1. 1 அப்ளை பண்ணா 2. இங்க d க்கு பதிலா 4 அப்ளை பண்ணோம். 4 உள்ள மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா 4n minus 4 வந்துரும். இந்த சைடு n by 2 இருக்கு. இந்த 2 minus 4 is equal to 2 வந்துரும். ரெண்டு ஈவன் நம்பரா இருக்கு. அப்ப அதுல 2 வெளிய எடுத்தோம்னா வெளியில இருக்க 2 கேன்சல் ஆயிடும். So when you cancel n மட்டும் ரிமைனிங் இருக்கும். n உள்ள மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணோம்னா 2n square minus n ன்னு வரும். இந்த 190 எங்கிட்ட கொண்டு வந்துட்டா minus 190 வந்துரும். இது ஒரு குவாட்ராடிக் ஈக்குவேஷன். இத சால்வ் பண்றதுக்கு நம்ம 9th ல படிச்சிருப்போம். சோ ப்ராடக்ட் எவ்வளவு சம் எவ்வளவு கண்டுபிடிச்சினா அந்த 2 நம்பர்ஸ் ஆர் 20 into 19. இங்க முன்னாடி 2 இருக்கனால 2 ஆல டிவைட் பண்ணா 10 ம் 19 வரும். -10 ம் 19 by 2 ன்னு வரும். அத பிராக்கெட் எழுதுனீங்கன்னா ஃபேக்டர் எழுதும்போது equal to 0. So n is equal to 10 or n is equal to minus 19 by 2 ன்னு வரும். n is equal to minus 19 by 2 is not possible since it's a fraction and also a negative. n is natural number. So n is equal to 10 is the number. Therefore 10 terms must be taken is the problem. So very simple one and important one. Work out the problem. Now exercise 2.6. Just do this problem as your practice problems. Exercise 2.6 problem number 1. Find the sum of the following. Find the sum of the following. First one, 3, 7, 11 up to 40 terms. Up to 40 terms means n is equal to 40. It is sequence is given. So first term is equal to 3. We have to find the common difference. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. 11 minus 7 is equal to 4. So d is equal to 4. n is given. So first formula we have to use. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Second also same. 102, 97, 92. It is decreasing. So d will be negative. n is equal to 27. a is equal to 102. The same model you have to find Sn. The third one, last term is given. So last term is given na, we have to use the second formula. When you use the second formula, first you have to find number of term n. So here a is given, it is increasing. So 13 minus 6 is equal to 7, d is equal to 7, l is equal to 97. In this problem, first you have to find n. What is n? n is equal to l minus a by d plus 1. You have to first find n. After that only we can find Sn. Sn is equal to formula, second formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. So the three problems we can solve and you can get familiar with the formula. Question number 2. How many consecutive odd integers beginning with 5 will sum to 480? Will sum to 480? Now it is sum. So Sn is given. What is Sn? Sn is equal to 480. The next one. How many consecutive odd integers? Odd integers na odd numbers beginning with 5. So first odd number is 5. Next number, odd number is 7. Next odd number is 9 plus dot dot dot. It is a series where Sn is equal to 480. So Sn is given. The series is a consecutive odd integers. So 5, 7, 9, etc. Our problem is to find n. Last example பார்த்த மாதிரி தான் n கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். Sn is equal to 480 வர்ற மாதிரி n கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். அப்ப முதல்ல என்ன கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? A is equal to 5. Odd integer போறல 2 டாப் போதும். Common difference equal to 2. A is equal to 5. என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? Sn கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. அப்ப Sn ஃபார்முலா என்ன? n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 480. 190 வச்சு ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம் பார்த்தோம். இங்க 480 வச்சு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So இத அப்படியே யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு n என்னன்னு கண்டுபிடிச்சீங்கன்னா ஆன்சர் வந்துரும். So very simple one. So try question number 1 and 2 as your homework. And if you have any problem in this second question, ask me in the group. WhatsApp group. I will definitely help to find the answer. Thank you.